Students, today we will see about the reference books, or what kind of books, what topic of books we can refer for our FY Basic Computer Science syllabus, okay, for your first year computer science course. So that actually I am bringing the video. Please watch till end the video fully, so as you can understand all the reference books details and the, you can say, subjects of computer science, right? So we'll start this video. Before starting, I will tell you that please subscribe to this channel if you want the latest update videos regarding your subject concepts of first year BSc computer science, second year, third year and all, and spread it out this video to your friends, students. Share this video so that they could find helpful from this, and like this video if you like it. So we'll start this video. See, actually you have some certain 7 to 14 in first semester of your first year. You have 7 subjects, and including you can say soft skill development like type, simple basic course type, and you have 7 another subjects in your semester 2, right? So we'll discuss one by one according to the subjects what the reference book should we refer, or like that. So actually basically I will tell you that if it is the first year, as it is the first year that you are entering into your computer science degree course, so one tip I will give you that please concentrate most probably on your programming skills, how to enhance your programming skills and all, because you came for your you can say computer science degree. That means to work on a IT field, okay, that means you want to make a career in your information technology, computer industries, software industries. So definitely you will go for most probable actually that I guess into the field of software development, programming, software engineering, software maintenance, development, and these all kind of you can go out for that. Okay, and what careers I will definitely let you know in a single, in a, you can say, separate video. When you will demand for that also, I will give that also. Okay, so see, for that I will give you a tip that concentrate on to enhance your programming skills. That is first of all, see what the programming subjects over here, that is, see, in first semester you have programming with Python. Okay, this is a programming subject, you can say. Okay, then in semester 2 over here you have programming with C, okay, and programming with Python 2 again it comes. Okay, these are the programming subjects. Then you have a database system subject also, and this is also important because you know that in your computer industry, in your software industry, you have a front end and a back end, and the back end is always, it is the database, and the front end, it is a programming a user interface by developing software by make the use of different platforms, Java, .NET and Python. This all you can make the user interfaces, and that is your, you can say, that is also done by with your, you can say, designing skills and all. And after that the coding skills come, that is the programming skills come when you connect your front end to your back end. That means if you have a proper knowledge of programming and database system, then you could develop a proper workable bug free software, you can say, right? So for that I will for my suggestion I will tell you that programming with Python 1 and database system, these two you should purchase actually the reference books. Okay, because this will definitely actually you will not read all the, or you will not go through all the details of that book actually, because the thing that you have in your syllabus, that much only you have to cover. But see, if you do in detail these two subject at least, then it will definitely help you then in this year also, in semester 2. Okay, see over here, programming with Python 2. If you have done this programming with Python 1, then you definitely will able to construct the base with the help of the construction of your base knowledge of this Python 1. You will definitely complete or go through this Python 2. Okay, so this will definitely help you if you have that complete reference book for Python programming, you can say. The book should be under concept of all complete detail about Python programming and all. Okay, so that reference book you should take. I will let you know the name also. later on in this video. Till then, keep watching. Then database system is done, and see what about then. Okay, here it is completed. Now the remaining are, this is a complete theoretical software, theoretical subject, you can say, free and open source software, right? Then again, computer organization and design, this is also, you can say, diagrammatically and some concept wise theoretical subjects. Then DM, it is mathematics, that is maths, total maths. Then statistics, it is also maths. And again, soft skill development, it is a basic general communication skill type subject, you can say, that you know as a communication skill subject. So it is also not necessary to have a big reference books, some sort of like that, right? So now we'll come over here, that is programming C and programming with Python 2. This both subjects you should purchase. Actually, I will tell those names also later on. And this Linux also, it is also important, because if you see in the beginner level of this FY, you will not actually find it compulsory to learn all concepts and all. So it is if it is 50-50 if you have a reference book for that or not. It's okay. Various books, it comes actually in different marketplaces in Amazon and all, that Linux administration with Linux and all these books, they have basic books. Then data structure, okay, data structure is also important. It is also covering a programming concept, but you can switch it later on if you want to make a career in data structures. But the important thing is the main programming for FY, from the FY essence, I could tell you that Python 2, Python and programming with C, this these two subjects, it comes into essence that will make grow your career ahead actually. And Linux is also there to make a career in that. Data structure is also one there, and database system is also there. Okay, this is also there, but you can manage somehow. Okay, so then hypothesis, statistical method, this is also max. See, max is important actually, but it will not continue to the whole at the last year, till last year, or in your interviews and all. So I will not suggest you that to take reference books and all. So what to then, green technologies, this is also theoretical. So what to do then for these remaining subjects, then which books should I purchase them? See, the books publication name I will display in the right hand of the screen. That is the TechMax publication. Okay, TechMax publication, you can refer. Actually, the bonus tip is for you can say financially weak students. If they are could refer to, you can say, go through for TechMax publication books of for all subjects. Okay, but I will suggest you that for programming with Python and database system and programming with C, this at least you should have your reference books, because it will carry forward to your interview, to enhance your interview skills while going for an interview also. After your completion of degree, this will necessarily find it helpful for you. Then in SY, TY also you have some concept, so for that also, to brush up those knowledge also, you will find it helpful. So I will come to the names, that all subjects you can refer to TechMax publications. Okay, and the programming with Python, I am displaying over here the screen. You can say Python programming, this book, you can take it out. Okay, or you can programming in Python, the 3, you can say that version, or you can take complete reference Python, that book also you can refer. See these books displaying over the screen. Then after going to Python, you have that I told database systems. These also books are available, that database systems or database system administration with database. These all textbooks you can take out. Okay, if possible, I will give you the link below here, the description box of this video, so you can make the purchase out from there also. Okay, if you do. Okay, so then after this programming with C, okay, programming with C, this book you can refer, that is Yashwant Kanetkar. This is a nice book, a short book. Actually you feel that it is, I guess, 300-500 pages, then also I told that it is a short one, but then also compared to others, it is a nice, because I used to also in past years back I used to also refer this book actually. Okay, this is nice one. Okay, then or else you can refer to E. Balguru Swami. See this book, E. Balguru Swami, author, Introduction to C Programming and all. This you can refer these books also. Okay, then for Linux, I told a basic book, Linux administration book you can take. Then data structure using C. This textbook also you can refer. Okay, so these are the textbooks. For these textbooks I have specified the link below of this video. Okay, you can go over there and check it out whether it is available at your place or not, and you can purchase it from there. Or if you don't have that much money, or if you are not interested in taking a deep knowledge and all, only you need that actually, anyhow I need to complete the course and all. So for that also you will given the notes and all from colleges, I guess from respective colleges you will definitely get the notes and all, so that is also enough. And if possible you can take TechMax books, because many are referring that those textbooks also, TechMax publication I told you. Else, but do possible these 3 to 4 for Python, for database, and for C. These books definitely will help you students. So this could you can purchase these books. Okay. So I think that I have completed all the doubts for yours. Okay, all the you can say the reference books names for your first year. Okay, so for second year I will definitely bring that video. Okay, let the comment come for those, then I will definitely. And again I will say you that please subscribe to this channel, and let others also do share with this video with those students, and like this video if you like it. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.